You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to upload an HD video to your WhatsApp status without losing quality. WhatsApp compresses videos heavily, but you can improve the result. First, ensure your video is in HD format, preferably MP4 and under 30 seconds for statuses. Before uploading, enable HD uploads in WhatsApp settings. Open WhatsApp, tap the three-dot menu, go to Settings, then Storage and Data. Ensure upload quality is set to best quality. This uses more data but improves quality. To upload, go to the Status tab and tap the camera icon. Instead of recording directly, tap the gallery icon to select your pre-recorded HD video. Before sending, look for an HD icon or quality option. Tap it to select HD if available. On some newer versions, WhatsApp automatically detects and suggests HD. Tap the send arrow. The video will be uploaded in higher quality, though some compression is inevitable. For the absolute best quality, consider uploading the video as a document. In a chat, tap the attach icon, select document. Choose Browse Other Docs and select your video file. However, this method doesn't work for status, only for chats. For status, the best quality setting is your best bet. For more simple WhatsApp tutorials, subscribe to the channel.